Before you buy another expensive spice blend, let me show you one masala that will transform your rice game forever. This costs pennies to make and tastes like pure magic. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making pilau masala from scratch, and trust me, once you smell this toasting, you will never go back to store-bought again. Here is what you need. Cloves, these beauties give us the warmth, aromatic base. Cinnamon sticks, black pepper for heat, bay leaves to round it all out, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds for that earthy depth, star anise, these are gorgeous stars, cardamom pods for that floral note, nutmeg and some black mustard seeds. Now here is where the magic happens. We are going into a dry pan, no oil needed. Medium-low heat is key here, people. Keep stirring constantly. We want golden, not burnt. It takes about 2 minutes, and oh my goodness, do you smell that? That's the smell of restaurant quality pilau masala happening in your own kitchen. Please go ahead and break down those cinnamon sticks because you want them toasting in the best way possible. This process is slow, but you have to be sure because you don't want your spices burning. Let them cool for just a few minutes. Patience is everything here. Not into the spice grinder or food processor. If you've got a Vitamix or a magic bullet or a coffee grinder, the small jug works perfectly too. Pulse, shake, pulse again until it is a fine, fragrant powder. And look at that golden, beautiful color. Pop this into an airtight container. I love my trusty Tupperware for this. I got it from Gwen Jikoni Gadgets, and you too can get one. This will keep for months and elevate every single rice dish you make. Your pilau will taste like it came from the best Swahili restaurant in town. A detailed recipe is up on the website. Be sure to check it out, and various pilau dishes here on the channel using this particular pilau masala. And guys, thank you so much for sticking with me through this video. Your support means the world to me. Drop a comment if you try this. I want to see your homemade masala magic. Remember to like and share with your loved ones. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep swapping those store-bought spices for homemade gold.